Hi guys, are you a Star Wars fan like me? I'm a huge fan, and I'm literally just taking the, broomstick and just having fun. Yes, just this is the kind of struggling time for everyone, and today I just wanted to do something fun. And this look is so easy. You just take a beauty sponge, take whatever foundation tint you want, and you gently pat it on your skin everywhere. Now, of course, you always want to take the eye primer potion. Brows, super easy brows, nothing too crazy. And then I just use the powder Fit Me In powder from Maybelline and just put it on. And concealer, it's just like a mask. Yes, Star Wars. And just nicely, just tap it away. Then again, you're gonna put the Maybelline and then Gin Undel to save you from the sun. And then this is just a very easy look that you use Urban Decay. See how it is? And then Beauty Inspired for like a little bit of blush and Mark World. And that's it. This is your look. This is how easy. For the eyes, you can really do whatever you want. And that is the end result. Happy May 4th.